Welcome to the IMT for Life back office. Brought to you by Jeff Al Gilbert for any For Life member via the International Mentors Team, or as he calls it, a club of mentors. In this back office, after you log into IMT4life.com, as you can see here, all you're going to have to type is IMT4life.com, and your browser is going to bring you to this website. It's going to ask you for your credentials, which you will be available to get for free. Once you're here in your back office, you're going to take just basic 4 steps to configure your website. You're going to scroll down, and you're going to see here that there is a button called My Website. This is the main button that's going to allow you to configure your biography and your photo. Also here on the right side, there's a button to subscribe your new members, whether it's in Spanish, in English, Portuguese, and Korean, and more languages coming up. This is where you're going to sign up everybody else that is asking you for credentials, how to get into this back office and set up their website. What it concerns you right now, this video, is the idea how to show them how basically you don't have to go to a technical school, be sophisticated. It's just as simple as using a smartphone. Everybody's using them. Everybody's using Facebook. Grandmothers, grandfathers, kids. And this is just as simple as that. So you're going to click on My Website, and this button right here will take you to another page where you can change your email, and you can change your password here. But the second step basically here is to click on this red button. It actually says Edit Bio and Contact Page. That's all you need to do. Don't worry about the other ones. Once you click in there, it brings you to a second page, and as you can see, there's plenty of buttons there. You don't have to be so concerned about those. All you have to do is come down here to this section where it says Edit Page, Edit Here. This is where you put your text by clicking in this button. Once you click in there, as you can see, it's going to display, for example, this is my biography, which I did it in English and Spanish. Okay, then you're going to click here and save it, and you're done with your biography. Second step is to add a photo. So what I chose is you can either put your photo on the top or on the side. I chose to put it on the side by clicking on the body image. Okay, so there you can see I have my photo, and it's ready to go. You basically go to your computer, you browse, pick up the photo that you want, and it's going to launch it in this section. And the third step here is if you want to load a video, then you click here where it says Embed Code. And in this section you can see there is a little square box where you can put the URL of your video, or you can put the actual syntax of your video, which you can get for free as you load a video into YouTube. And you right click on the video, and then you basically copy that URL here, or you copy the text, and that's it. And then the last step, well, you want to configure your contact information right here, and it brings you to a page where basically here you put your contact information, your telephone number, and you save it. It's just as simple as that extra step that you need to take. Here it is, my contact information. You can actually load a photo next to it. Okay, so once you've taken these 4 steps, now your website is ready to go. Basically, just like as you can see on this panel, that is a control center. I'm filming this from an actual data center worth millions of dollars. It's full of wires, full of equipment, circuits, worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, with gigabit speed, a multitude of servers, a boardroom where, strategies are discussed. And what I want you to see is that this is worth, millions of dollars to run a system like this, but you don't need to become, a person investing that kind of money. It is Jeff Al Gilbert that is bringing to you this sort of back office, this way to you promote your business globally, and basically put yourself above the crowd. what is your extra? What is your plus? It is that what is going to bring you what you want in this world. What is going to make a difference? It is your extra that actually can make you rich. Better profits for better serves. And you have to bring people something, a compelling reason to join you into this new 21st century. And this is for you to allow them to have all these tools worth thousands of dollars bring to you for free just for joining you into 4Lives. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You don't need to be the person in charge of running this entire data center. All you need to do is take those 4 basic steps and your website is ready to go and bring your business to a whole new level, break the various languages, break the distance barriers, and promote your business. Promote your business. As Anthony Robbins says, if you're going to have a business, you better have a way good to market it. And social media is one of those ways. You can do it one-on-one and showing this to people. But the second aspect to have a successful business is to be able to add value to people. So, the idea is that this system works so much, is available for free for them just to simply join you. And just by clicking on this simple websites, all these other ones, you can get fancy. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there who are very technical, but the 4 steps that I show you, how to click on my website, how to enroll a new member, is all that you need to bring your website up and running, globalize yourself, and as Anthony Robbins says, if you have something to add of value to people and have them talking about it, that's the way a successful business works. And here it is. You're equipped for the 21st century. Success to all of you, and we have to be really thankful for Jeff Algovers to have invested this such huge amount of money to allow us to bring our business to a whole new level. And basically, as he mentioned lately in our last mentoring call, and I invite each one of you to join us every Monday night, 8 p.m. at the phone number that he actually sends to all the members via email. I also display that via Facebook, by our Facebook on International Mentors Team. In Facebook, all you need to take off, like the space shuttle, it uses the most fuel when it's going to leave the Earth and go beyond our atmosphere. It is the gravity that is pulled down. Once you go beyond the gravity, what is pulling you down, the space shuttle basically rarely uses any fuel. And that's what we need. We need to be able to take off fast. And once we do that, we are remove them and we are on our way to actually basically achieve the lifestyle, the goals, the dreams, what is it that you want for your family, for the difference that you want to see in the world. So be the change you want to see in the world. Start now by going into IMT4Life.com and set up those basic 4 steps, and let's get this running. Let's create, a knowledge of people that you are equipped. You don't have to go to war if you want to use that analogy with your bare hands. You have every sophisticated tool right now for you to become a successful 21st century network marketer person. Thank you very much for listening to this video.